South Carolina making national headlines, just the latest state to beef up its abortion laws.
This morning, the fetal heartbeat law is in effect, meaning it's illegal to get an abortion in the state after a fetal heartbeat is detected. That's usually around 6 weeks or so. The only exceptions are rape and incest, as long as the fetus is fewer than 20 weeks along and if the mother's life is in danger. Democratic candidate for South Carolina Governor Joe Cunningham spoke just hours before the new law went into effect.
I trust women to make their own health care decisions. I support women to control their own bodies. And I support women who have had their rights ripped away. And let me be clear, when I'm governor and a bill that bans abortions with no exceptions comes to my desk, I will veto it so hard it'll make your head spin.
Meanwhile, his opponent, incumbent Republican Governor Henry McMaster, has reaffirmed his commitment to restrict abortion in the state. In a tweet, he called the Supreme Court's ruling a victory for the Constitution and the most vulnerable among us. We made this map to show you exactly which states have abortion bans in place. On the list to likely put an abortion ban in place is Georgia. Coming up on Good Morning America, an in-depth look at the nationwide debate over abortion laws and the new cap in place on emergency contraceptives. You can watch GMA right after our show this morning, starting at 7 o'clock.